Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by connecting directly to the Zain network. Use Wi-Fi or, preferably, an Ethernet cable for a stable link. Once connected, open your browser and enter the router IP, typically 192, 168, 1, 1 or 192, 168, 0, 1. This takes you to the admin page. When prompted, log in with the router's admin username and password. If you changed these before, use your saved credentials. Otherwise, check the router label for defaults. Once you're in the admin interface, navigate to wireless or Wi-Fi settings. This is where SSID and password live. Next, pick the active network band. Choose 2, 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for speed, and select the SSID you intend to update. Make the security type WPA2PSK or WPA3 if supported. These protect your network. Then type a new strong password. Mix uppercase, lowercase numbers, and symbols, and keep it at least 12 characters. Save or apply changes so the router updates the network configuration. After you input the new password, click Save or Apply. The router may reboot. This is normal, so be patient. Once it finishes, reconnect your devices using the updated password and update any stored credentials on phones, laptops, and smart devices. Make sure the SSID name matches what you expect. If it changed, select the correct network. If you run into trouble, restart the router and the device, then forget the network and rejoin. This clears cached credentials and usually resolves connection problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.